Good morning to our expected coordinator, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, Shree Sah from grade 2A1, standing in front of you all to deliver a short presentation on the topic healthy habits. Healthy habits are things we do every day to keep our bodies and minds strong. We should eat clean and fresh, balanced food in time. We should drink plenty of water daily. We should wash our hands with soap and water before each meal and after going to toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should sleep for 8 hours daily. We should keep ourselves clean.